Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful summer hand tie. The first flower I would start with is the bouquet flower, and here I have chosen a lily, and then I would add some eucalyptus. And what I would do with the eucalyptus is I'd spiral stems and just make sure you're protecting the flower. And it also is great because it spreads the other flowers out a bit. And then I would add a vocal flower here. For example, this is Sweet William. I would put in some stock, a lovely summer flower, the beautiful scent. And then I'd add in peony. Then I go back to some Sweet William. And I would add in another stalk. Again, taking off any greenery so it doesn't make the water go murky. Then I would take another peony and build round on a nice dome with a nice dome shape. And I would add another stalk here. A bit of Sweet William. And then I'd take another peony. It's quite nice to do things in odd numbers, but you don't always have to do it that way. And then just to fill this out a bit, what I would do is I would add some roses. And making sure you spiral the stems the same way every time. There we go. And then what I would do is, once I've done that, checks it's a nice shape, then what I would do is I would just actually move one more flower around here. So I would tie it. And I have got some really thin string. And then I just tip it slightly like this, keep holding tight, and then wrap this string around, then pull it tight. Then I would just perch it on the edge of a table or a work surface so I could tie it. And there we have a beautiful bouquet. And what I'd also make sure actually that all the stems are the same. So these are slightly uneven, so I'll just cut that a bit. And that makes sure that they can stand properly. And that is how to make a beautiful summer bouquet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned and subscribe to see more videos on flower arranging.